Hi friends, welcome to Ajay Solutions YouTube channel. Today in this video we will see the list of top 10 best richest cities in India. India's economic landscape is evolving rapidly with cities transforming into global hubs of wealth, innovation and opportunity. In this 2025 special we rank the top 10 richest cities in India. This video is made by analyzing these factors: GDP growth and per capita income, corporate headquarters and a billionaire destiny, real estate boom and infrastructure investments, startup ecosystem and industry dominance, luxury lifestyle and high net worth residents. So now we will see the top 10 richest cities in India. Number 10, Jaipur, tourism and tech fusion, GDP 5 lakh crore, heritage, wealth and startup boom, World Trade Center and SEZ. Number 9, Surat, diamond and textile empire, GDP 6.5 lakhs crore, 90% of world's diamonds processed, fastest growing real estate market. Number 8, Kolkata, heritage meets modern wealth, GDP 7.5 lakh crore, port and tea trade legacy, new town smart city projects. Number 7, Ahmedabad, industrial powerhouse, GDP 8 lakh crore, gift city and diamond trade, Reliance and Adani headquarters. Number 6, Pune, education and IT hub, rupees 9 lakhs crores, Oxford of the East, Pune Metro and Hinjawadi IT Park. Number 5, Chennai, manufacturing and auto giant, GDP rupees 10 lakh crores, Detroit of India, Ford, Hyundai and BMW factories. Number 4, Hyderabad, rising economic star, GDP rupees 12 lakh crores, pharma and IT dominance, Google campus, Amazon campus, Facebook, high-tech city and T-Hub 2.4 and many other companies. Number 3, Bengaluru, Silicon Valley of Asia, GDP rupees 18 lakh crores, IT exports dollars 80 plus billion, tech giants Google, Infosys, Wipro. Number 2, Delhi NCR, political and corporate hub, GDP rupees 25 lakh crore, Gurgaon's cyber city and Noida's tech parks, startups 15,000 plus, unicorn capital of India. Number 1, Mumbai, financial powerhouse, GDP rupees 40 plus lakh crores, BSC and Fortune 500 headquarters, billionaires 50 plus, Antilia to Bandra Kurla complex. So these are the top 10 richest cities in India. If you like my explanation, please like this video, share to others, and if you have any doubts, please comment below and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.